Hi everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. I am Raluca and I do makeup. In this video I'm going to review the Nudes by Juvia's Place. If you want to see a review for the berries and the violets, they are already up on my channel. Next up I'm going to review the chocolates, so make sure to subscribe so you don't miss out that one. I'm also going to do some swatches and a look with this palette, so if you're curious to see that, keep on watching. Okay, so here we have the Nudes by Juvia's Place. This is how the palette looks like. Literally, when I first saw this, my inner basic started screaming. You know how much I love color, but it's something so sophisticated about neutrals. And these look so beautiful. In this palette we have 3 matte shades, 2 lighter like cream shades. This is like a cream and this is like a peachy tone. And this darker brown color, and we also have 3 metallic / shimmer shades. This palette retails for $14 on the Juvia's Place's website, but I noticed they have a lot of sales going on. I'm going to start first with some swatches of the palette and then I'm going to do a look with it. This first shade is like a metallic champagne, it looks like it has some golden reflexes. It has like silver greenish kind of shimmery particles. It's really gorgeous. Next up we have this matte cream color. Something like this. It's like a warm toned transition. Next we have this golden nude shade. This is like a shimmer gold. As you can see, this one is more on the pink side and this one is more yellowish gold. Second row we have this matte shade that's more of a peachy tone. Yeah, it's definitely more peachy than this matte shade. Next up we have like a slightly darker shimmer. It has like a pink undertone from what I can see. Oh, this is so pretty. And last but not least we have this darker brown color. So these are the swatches. They look really beautiful and wearable for every day. And not only, you can do like nighttime sophisticated looks with this as well. Maybe you can add like a wing liner to darken things up a little bit more, since most of these shades are light. This first shade here is my favorite from the palette. I don't know if you can see it on camera, but it's not like a regular shimmer. It has tiny glitters in it, like it looks really shiny and special. To start off this look, I'm going to first prime my eyelids and I'm going to use a little bit of concealer to also cover this stain a little bit. I'm using the Fit Me concealer, but again you can use any concealer that you have. I'll just tap it in with a flat brush. I'm first going to apply this cream shade in my crease as a transition. I'm going to take a Juvia's Place 007 Pro Blending Brush. Pack it into the shade, dust off a little bit of the excess, and then blend this shade in my crease. It's really similar to my skin tone, maybe just a tiny bit darker. That's why it doesn't show up that much. I'm going to apply that on the lower lash line as well. Under this transition shade I'm going to apply this slightly darker peachy shade here to define my crease a little bit more. And realistically I'm going to use the same brush. And I'll apply this slightly lower than the first shade. It has a different tone than the crease color. It's more on the peachy side. I feel like this palette is made for people with really fair skin. So if you're really pale, you might really enjoy this palette. I enjoy it as well, but like the shades don't show up that much because they are quite similar to my skin tone. Even this with like a shimmer on the lid could look really beautiful for an everyday look. But I want to deepen things out a little bit more, especially in the outer corner. So I'm going to use this darker brown here on a Sigma E44 firm blender brush. I'm going to pack the shade, again dust off the excess, and stamp it in my outer corner. I don't really enjoy the tone of this that much. It looks like it has some olive undertones. I think I would have appreciated a neutral brown a lot more. I'm going to apply it on the lower lash line as well. I don't know if you can see, like it looks kind of olive. And now I'll take the previous brush again with no additional product on it and just blend the shades together. Basically, I'll go over that transition again. Next, I'm going to apply this gorgeous shade right here in the inner portion of my lid. I'm going to apply it with a Morphe 124 brush. It looks like it has tiny glitters, as I said, it's so gorgeous. But I feel like I'm not getting the intensity that I want with the brush, so I'll try using my finger instead and see how that goes. Oh, this is a lot better. So yeah, it applies a lot better with the finger. Let's see if you can see it on camera. And in the center of my lid, I'm going to apply this darker shimmer. This has a slightly different tone. The first one that I applied looks kind of goldenish, and this one is more on the pink side. And now I'll blend this outer corner a little bit more. I didn't add any additional product on the brush. And on the lower lash line, I'm going to apply this golden shimmer with a small detailed brush like this. This one is from Morphe, but it has no number since it's from a brush set. And I'll apply that in the inner portion of my lower lash line. And now I'll highlight my inner corner and my brow bone using the NYX Born to Glow palette. And I'll take this white golden shade here and apply it in my inner corner and a little bit under the arch of my brow. Next, I want to add a wing liner to this look, and I'm going to use my Sigma Wicked gel liner. I want to do like that kind of a angel wing liner. You're going to see what I'm talking about. So I'll just start with a regular wing liner. I'm going to extend my eye with a straight line and then connect it to my eyelid. And then fill in this shape that I've created. I'll kind of extend this liner into my crease. And now do a little wing. Does this look okay? Okay, this right eye came out a lot better, but now I'm going to add some false lashes and mascara, and I'll also do my lips, and I'll be right back. Okay, I'm back, and this is the look all complete. I applied the Lush Beauty lashes in the style Posh. Lush Beauty is a Romanian brand founded by Monica Palco, which is my favorite Romanian influencer, and these lashes are so gorgeous. I like the length, I like how wispy they are. They have a thin band which makes them really comfortable to wear, and I just love how they look. So what do I think of the Nudes palette? It's a beautiful palette, especially if you're into light nudes. You maybe need a palette to just throw quickly on the eye and go out the door. And I don't know, maybe you're into more simplistic makeup. I feel like this palette is going to be great for you. Also, if you are like my skin tone or lighter than me, you might really enjoy this. Otherwise, I don't know if these shades are going to show up on your skin tone. They are quite light. Of course, you have this shade that you can use to deepen things out a little bit more, but personally, This shade is not really my favorite tone. I don't really like it. It has this muddy olive undertone which I not really into, but that's just a personal preference. Nonetheless, they perform great. They blend easily. They are beautiful, especially the shimmers are gorgeous. To be honest, I enjoyed the berries and the violets, the ones that I reviewed before. I enjoyed them a lot more than this one. Nonetheless, it's a gorgeous everyday palette. And that's what I have to say about it. And that's it for this video. We're almost at the end of this mini Juvia's Place palette series. I only have the chocolates left, which is going to go up on Monday. So make sure to subscribe to my channel so you don't miss out any of my uploads. And also you can follow me on my Instagram where I post daily and a lot more tutorials than I do here on YouTube. I hope you're having an amazing day and you are staying safe. And I hope I'll see you in my next video. Bye!